ke chelete ya ransom. I get wa gopola gore you wrote this money off.
Yeah?
So cash ke 600K.
There's an extra 100 ka.
Ga botsotse ba re patage for go thusha Kopane gore a chabe khulegong.
Kora ke tshepo ra se shore kwa selo ka go phanya ga gaka.
Inyake ya ka mogwano. Ape a eo le manhunt yao.
Wa trend.
Nga se makale. O itlhokomele.
But even to the extent of even garnishing someone's salary, that's so cruel.
And the man's child is sick. Kodwa yena kayingena kanandaba nje.
Ubajekile ukuthi ukushayile.
Ayikho votha lengabitshela abantu la imemetela live lonke. Ngishaye ngomfati, ngishaye ngomfati. Le nto ehlisa sithunde kumuntu leyo. Nami ngimvotha.
Where's guys? He's in the bedroom. Hola, the bedroom. Where you going? Suffer.
Mqala wami.
Kaloku uzoba buhlungu intamo. Xa uxwesa apha ecouchini instead of ebhedini. Yintoni lento ngake ngumsebenzi omni lo kwenza uba usebenze udulale. Contract kasende.
Yeah, bengibhekile contract. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi ayikho into engakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Kuyena uStan kodwa cha nalokho isebenza against me.
Usafuna into yoyisebenzisa against uStan. Kanti uyalibala uba ikhampani iphathwa yimithetho. Not imithetho yayo. Eminye imithetho kuko i-labor laws, i-criminal laws, constitutional matters, bills of rights, zonke izinto ezihlanganisa employee-employee relations. Ezininzi of those you've already violated. Yazi uba i-holiday namhlanje?
Hayibo, holiday yani? Kade kuyi-holiday nayizolo. Women's Day. Manje, I'm sure i-holiday ngenamsebenzi. I sent everyone an email. Ngathi asihlangane namhlanje ofisini.
Fika. Yeah. Scheme. Scheme, sabe? Scheme. Scheme. Scheme, sabe?
Re fetsa go install. And selo se sa tura. He?
Yawo, o tlhoka gore go gopotse gore itse shekima. Le khodi. And le khodi yana o ba khona gore bya litlo with the previous CCTV. So obviously wa khona gore bona ke.
Yeah, but need to go ke lebetse ka yena. Yeah, no nepile. Yeah, I mean, Loana, this whole CCTV thing, it told me like kana go wrong. So yeah, ke tla inja.
Ke lebo gape.
Yeah. Anyway, so how does it feel, Mrs. 2 million views?
What's a racket table on judge? I'm just so glad gore fence o bile le botlhale ba gore sign up for that partnership program re re khumana 1,000 subscribers because now we are monetized.
Yeah, no, it doesn't like how it's.
Yeah. And what's what the subscribers starting have quadrupled over the weekend. And ke gale ke ning ke khumana megala le di text le di email batho ba nyaka di collaboration le di interview. It's blowing up.
And ke fela ka re gona le lebaka a gore mpotse gore it's blowing up.
Well, I mean, go a bontshagala Thibos gore go ne le appetite le go ne le hunger for se ke se dirang a kere. So ke be ke nagana gore motlhomongwe nka no tswela pele ka podcast yaka.
Morning, Sitch.
Jeez.
Are you not supposed to be in a meeting?
I could actually be asking you the same question.
Ke lemogile se sengwe ka mosetsana o a gang ka dimema. Matšatšinyana o thomile go ikemišetša kudu ka mošomaga wa sekolo.
Yeah.
Mme seo se a nthabiša, man.
Yeah. I mean, she always does, right? Does well. I mean, she's exceptional. If she focuses on her grades, she's going far. This girl's future is bright.
Yeah. But anyway, why did you call a meeting on a public holiday? And to make matters worse, you also invite learners to give us headache.
Let's walk and talk. Yeah.
Was it necessary, man?
Funa nabantu bangixoshe. Phela abantu be-HR njalo basada ne-employer.
Awukho lento leyo. Do you know actually nanoma abaqashwe ngikhwezi kepha kumele bamxwayize ukuthi yena she must uphold labor laws.
Kumnanzi ke kusho lokusho ngubani. Akusinguwe lo tobe alapha ekhathi. Nenganyamba ikhafula mlilo. Yeah.
Yekela ukuthi khathata Stanley. You do fine. Khwezi nguye lo nelicala la.
What happened?
Well, it's a holiday, Khwezi, so bantu bebanema plans lekhathi uthumela le email.
Ngisho ngibonile ukuthi angizange ngiphumelele kwi-Women's Day activation, but ithombe ngiyitholile through group chat. Ngibonile ukuthi i-activation itrendile. Ngiyabonga. And well done.
Awanye. Ndiyawusola tingokucakade. Nokwatsha lo tikhundla mfandi. Uyasiyenga.
Angicabangi njalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi umthusile. So, it's a good sign.
Ngicabanga bayangikhola.
Alcohol.
Cha phela ngoba kade nginqoba uStanley yabo umusa wami.
Kwezi mhlambi lo musa wakho ngekholeleka baba unyanisekile. Yazi andizithandi man ezi strategies zakho. Andizithandi.
Hayi ke ayikho into esingayenzi. Ayikho ngempela ngoba i-contract ya Stanley iyacacisa ukuthi angikwazi ukumubeka icala for le insurance policy thing.
Baba unolwazi anyana le business. Mhlawumbe uyazi ukuba akho musa wakho ukungenza uStanley afuna ichange le situation akutshintshelele.
Usho kanje?
Nditsho kanjena. Yes, uStanley umoshile ubhatyazile. Yes. Kodwa ingathi wena umuqede, ingathi wena ufuna ubhatyaza ngapha kwakhe. When you violating simple labor laws. Yazi nelakho uba uStanley kanamdla ukuyigqithisa lento ayenza case.
Contacts and I can't for this event. Who knows? Sponsor.
So tla botsa mogaja gore hey ha re fe di ambulance tja go rwala bana ba tla ba ikhwetša ba le mathateng a keresese.
Yeah. Can I the ambulance tšeo nka di abelago for such stunts? Hape ke metric dance.
Yeah, it's just a metric dance. We're going to make sure that there aren't any funny business or stunts. Please, trust us. Everything is going to be under control.
Ele gore nge le gapeletša ka taba ya diaparo tša go tura. Re sa no aba fela difoka.
Wasala mina. Skolo e ka sebe fela ka dithuto le difoka.
Bana ba tlhoka to just have fun and let loose. Ba iketle le bona ba botsana. Otherwise dibukashane tlo ba gafisha.
Yep.
Ke nnete. So re a dumelana. Mr. Q ke nagana gore re ka no feleletsa bela.
Yeah, I think that's about it. But before we leave, can we please put it to a vote? By a show of hands, it means that we are approving of the plans.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's, yeah, I think that's about it.
Yep.
Also, friendly reminder, just to emphasize, this meeting wasn't just parent-driven. Some learners will be a part of the task team.
Okay, gona re ka no sepela bese.
No. Ke kopa le manya. Lona ka le tlhoka. But the ones that are just part of the matric committee, yeah, you guys are dismissed.
Na re ka no tšea 10 minutes break.
Batho ba modimo o reng re sa no feleletsa.
Okay, because we're still waiting for the learners. Yeah, I agree with Mr. Home. Let's take a break. I'm also craving some coffee. Yeah.
Awesome. Hey.
Tshwarelo, ma'am's told already I can come get water here.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You can have tea, coffee, whatever you want.
Water is just fine, Gallo.
I was on a call with Ma'am Maswali. She tells me that you guys were speaking as well, and you called her, wished her Happy Women's Day.
I always call to check up on her. I'm glad she's getting better.
Yeah, no, she is. She'll be joining us soon. She also mentioned that you are interested in music. You like music, and you wanted to join Gauteng University School of the Arts.
I just researched about it. If you're a social worker.
I see, but you need to follow your dreams. I mean, your mom can't force you to become what she couldn't, you know? If you want, I could speak to her.
No, so that's not necessary. Also, musician is not for people like me. Social work is a good profession, so...
I mean, if you say so. Your water? You know you can't take the cup with you, right?
Stanley, ngizama ukufocus shem. Ngiyacela.
Yati, I can't stop thinking about the interview yakusasa with the HR guy.
Mara about to interview wonke umuntu akusinguwe kuphela.
Laba. I'm sure they will say anything to save their jobs. But I'm fucking that's with bus lab.
Okay, well, mina I've got your back. And ngidukhuluma iqiniso. Epha ngiyathemba ukuthi wonke umuntu will do the same.
I need you guys to focus for the next few weeks on the matric dance. Please make sure that things are running smooth and you are listening to everyone's concerns. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then le tshwanetse gore le tsentšhe barutwana ka lena tseleng a kere. Ga gona dikgopolo tša mogaswi. E se go bjalo, matric dancenyana o tlo emišwa.
Let's go to so we will make sure that everything is under control.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's wrap it up. I think that's about it. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Hi.
Miss Kasana.
Ngingahlala phansi. Benginethemba lokuthi singahlangana sixoxe kancane before i-interview yakusasa. Ngiyabonga. Angazi ukuthi ubusuzweni. Kodwa mina nawe siyazana sesebenze ndawonye isikhathi eside. Uyangazi ukuthi angiyena umuntu omubi, angiyona iboss ebhedayo.
It's just that sometimes abasebenzi banokuvilapha, you know, and they're entitled.
Ngempela ngispende i-weekend yonke ngifunda ama-reports lawa kanye nayo i-contract ka-Mr. Stanley.
Okay, well,
angiboni ukuthi unalo ilungelo lokwazi ngaleyo information ngaphandle kokuthi investigation ibe concluded.
how? Sikhona ngempela isidingo sokuthi size senze i-investigation umsebenzi omngaka engabe ngivele ngiyamkhokhela nje uStanley siphume kuyona yonke lento.
Ngiyaxolisa kodwa we have to follow procedure. Mina nawe sizokhuluma mase ngicela ukukhuluma nasi staff lesi.
Lento iphakathi kwami noStanley and I think ingakuhle siyilungise soba 2 sibayeke laba abanye abantu.
Ngiyaxolisa kodwa i-complaint i-mention ukuthi uyi-address ebaleni elivulelele lapho wonke umuntu bekhona ubezwe. So ngakho nami ngizokumela ukuthi ngizwe elabo na.
Come in. Hey, what's up, sir? So, I wanted to reward you guys for the exceptional and great work you guys did on your last assessment. Okay?
Okay.
So, a little motivation, something to keep you guys going.
How, student?
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Araba?
Seguirle lo mucho por la micha re, ya no sala se salen busy ka sona.
Wow, okay. She is missing out. I mean, getting 95% and not getting chocolate.
95?
She's missing out. But I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of all of you.
But then I gotta bounce. Time I give me one. But thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes,
Girls, I can drop you guys off if you don't want.
I was so scared to hear close to come out. No, speak for yourself, sir. I talk I lift you.
See, good. And your mom? I can also.
Plus, you can never complain about after meeting, so.
Settled then. Right. I'll see you guys go parking lot.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Why do you keep testing me like this?
So nani yasebenza namuhla?
Starting.
Ngibone ngemhlangano wemphathi wenu ukuthi yano nibusy lapha namuhla.
Hlangana nabantu.
Ngilomnya mjita ngimade. Chabi Dark angilathi gama lakhe. Anyway, order lenu unto let's in 15 minutes now.
Siyabonga.
Lo mvula khuluma ngayo. Yini ngathi le ndvodza yakho ejara?
Awukwathi wena lokho?
Kodwa ngiyamade uyamuntu wangiquestiona ngesikhathi liyasaka ya Clement.
Okay, nakhona if kunguye then. So what?
So what? Tibude ukuthi why bahlanganelana labantu. Nakhona bahlangana ngelanga leliholiday. Labantu laba no they trying to get rid of me.
Stanley. Yehlisa moya, hayibo.
Sihle. Kumele ngisende email ngithi kulo muntu. Kube kuliphutha yonke lento. Nakhona angisadzingi kuya kuma hearing.
Uma nje ungaqala into enjalo, uwathi ukuthi khwezi angeke akuyekele. Uyohlala kuhlukumeda nje kunaphakade.
Yo. Phew. Re a leboga menere. Re a leboga go kgonne gore o eme re hwetše dilo tše opja go be go sa swanela le gore o re felegetše go fitlha mo.
No, it's no problem, man. I just couldn't allow you to carry all these bags alone.
Oh, hey, o na le botho kudu wa tseba.
Okay, no,
Oh, re a leboga menere.
Okay, no. Look, if you need any help with your schoolwork, studying, you know, varsity applications. Like,
Ke tla le tsebisha sir. Ke a leboha.
good. Your daughter is very talented. Ka music. What's up?
Oh, ha ngwana ka ke a tseba hore o na le ditalente tse dintsi kudu le gona o na le lerato ee motlhomongwe ke ka tsela yo a gotsego ka gona wa tseba
Have a good night, ma'am.
ee hai wa phapha monna yo hai maka ke ka baka leo ke sa mo dumela gore a le gate ka mo wena ngwanaka wena o bo o sa swanela gore mo kgantšhetse ka ditalentenyana tše tša gago tša mmino ngwanaka wena o swanetse go tsepamela gore o hwetša mošomo yo o ka se tsogeng le ka tšatši le tee o tshwenyegile gore mogolo wa gago wa tsena goba aowa e se go mminonyana ye ya lena ye ya matšhila mane gape ke mo kwele a bolela gore wena o karolo ya SGB ngwanaka gona goba karolo hei le go šomela batho go tla go thuša mo mošomong wa gago gaopša ke na le potsišo ye tee ngwana dilo tše ka moka tša goba karolo ya SGB di ka se go šitiše mošomong wa gago wa sekolo
ke ngathi kukho into anuka kamandi
Thank you. Ngingazwisi taste.
Oh yeah?
But only after sesiqedile ukulungiselela i-interview.
Xa sithi silungiselele i-interview uthetha ukuthini?
Sengisholo phela ukuthi kuzomele sithole indlela yokuphendula eminye imibuzo abazosibuza yona.
Oh. Hayi sisi azukwazi.
Wait, uqonda ukutheni ukuthi hayi?
Oh, ndiqonda ukuthi andizukwazi. Ayizukwenzeka loo. Mna andizudlala umdlalo ne-HR. Kaloku kwezicinga. Kukho ii-witnesses abantu abayibonile yonke into eyenzekileyo phaya. So kuba thina sizowuxoka. Siphikisana naloo nto yenzekileyo ibonwe ngabantu. Then sizothatha i-situation eyinyakanyaka already siyenze ibe worse. Mna ndicebisa uba uzilungiselele because eyona nto ezophuma emlonyeni wam inyani.